Hi guys, welcome in. My name's Yanavi and today we're drawing, boom, this super cute otter sticker. It says, no otter person I love more. Super cute. They're floating in the water. They're holding hands. So grab some popcorn, maybe take some cup of coffee or some tea or something. Sit down and enjoy a relaxing time watching me draw this so cute no otter person I love more sticker. Link is in the description for my Etsy store. Yay! All right, let's go ahead and get started. Add this plus button. Go to square, which is 2048 by 2048 pixels. Boom, nice little square. I really like this square. Go ahead to the brush pencil and let's move to sketching. Sketching, boom. Technical pencil. Make sure that we're on black, which is the bottom left corner. Test our pencil, make sure it's good. And we'll go ahead and start with the first otter on this side. She's gonna have an oval face. And we're just sketching. They've got cute little ears. Maybe not so pointy, more round than pointy. Boom, boom. Very cute eyes. Super cute eyes. And they have kind of like a cat's mouth and snout, or a puppy or a dog's mouth and snout, but add a little fluff to her hair. And this one's the girl, so we'll add some cute little lashes on her. She's so excited to be with her otter. And this is the back side. And she's got some fluff coming out here like a cat. Fluff and whiskers. Fluff and whiskers, fluff and whiskers. Boom. And from some fluff and whiskers here, coming down, oops, coming down to about here. She's kind of holding her claw to her belly, and a little fluff here. And we're gonna make the eyes a little bigger because when eyes are super big, it's super cute. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, there we go. All right, and from there we'll do the body. So the bodies are pretty voluptuous. It's just a sweet way of saying round. She's gonna have some fluff too because they're swimming in the ocean or on a lake. She's her little feeties here. There are little feeties on this side. Let's even them out and let's get her a cute tail. Oh, he's so cute. There we go. And this will be her hand holding her udder. Her udder. This. And this one will be his hand. His hand. And her. Okay. And from here it will stem up to his face. Relatively the same size oval. Not circle. There we go, oval. And he's gonna have a little round ear poking out there. Some tuft on his tail too. And he'll be looking slightly towards her. Maybe they're a little bit more square. Oops. No, when you tilt the eyes down like that, it makes them look like they're mad. We just want normal eyes. No, we're not mad about anything. Boom. Okay. A little heart nose. And he's gonna be happy too, because he found his otter. He found his otter. His otter love. And this one's gonna come down. And he'll have an arm sticking out. Oh, he's got little pads on his arms. Some fluff coming here. He's gonna have that same, they kind of have seal-like feet. Boom. Oops. 1, 2, 3. I think they have 4. I think they have 4. 2, 4. I'm gonna say yes, that they got 4. I'm just guessing that they have 4. Internet, correct me if I'm wrong if they don't have 4. Okay, since he's a dude, he's gonna have a big tail. And he's gonna have some fluff there. Oh my God, he's so cute. Let's give her back her lashes. Let's make his eyes bigger. His head looks smaller than her head. Let's go here and make his head a little bigger. Whoop. Yeah, that's a good size. Maybe too big. There. Boom. Go back to my sketch. Finish this line. Put that line there. Stick out his arm a little further so it makes a little bit more sense. And zoom out. Tap the S button. Tap the arrow button and move them to the middle. That looks so cute. It's so cute. It really is. Oh my goodness. They look so happy. They are in love. And they got some tufts. We'll add the tuft later. All right, let's outline. Step 2. Add your plus. Double tap your sketch and bring it down to about 12. Back to your top layer. Let's change it. Let's make this fun, like naturey. Let's do something with some character. I like when there's texture like this. That's good to fill things, but not to. Ooh, chalk pencil. What does that look like? Let's outline in that. Yeah. No, do you guys like the way that looks? Does that look pretty organic? Does it look pretty? See if there's any more textured outlines. Maybe calligraphy might have some. Calligraphy. This one looks textured. Blotchy. That doesn't look blotchy at all. Oh, I clicked my line. Ooh, too texturized. Shale brush. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Oh yeah. I like shale too. Let's do shale and let's go down to, that's too big still. 3%. So I'm on shale. It's a stock brush. All right, so we're gonna go here and add her tuft. We're gonna keep everything soft of shapes, so nothing crazy jagged. Just because I want it to stay cute and soft. And when you add, if you add this type of line, it feels slightly jarring. So we're just gonna make little swoops. They're little swoops. Big swoop. I like shell because the harder you push, the more text, the wider the brush. It's very responsive too. Gonna make her heart nose into a little heart too. Don't tell anybody, internet, okay? I'm just gonna try to keep it sweet. Oh, it's so sweet. And she's so happy to be with her other love. No other one for her. No other one for her. So currently, right now, no exaggeration, Juju, my 12-year-old cat, is sitting in my lap. And it's one of the best feelings because he's warm And he's cuddly. And it reminds me of this sticker because it's warm and cuddly. And it's, oh, so cute. I made her arm a little bigger because I felt like it was slightly disproportionate. Okay, I'm trying to emit the super jarring I think they have 4 feet. I'm guessing they have 4 toes. I don't know. I probably should have done a little bit more research on otters before drawing some. I'll look it up in a second. Boom. Oh, wow. And she's got some tuft here. Those are hanging out in the water. Boom. Trace her tail. Okay. I'm going to add some tufts around here, so. Nice, slow, and easy, because she's like she's wet. And, oh, of course she's wet. She's floating in the water. Gonna add some waves. And here, Juju is super warm, and it feels really nice that he still loves me after 12 long years. Wow, can't believe he's 12. These are just watermarks, like she's enjoying. She's enjoying. She's relaxing. She's chilling and maxing and relaxing, all cool. She's shooting some b-ball outside the school. You know, there were no couple of guys who weren't up to go good. She just minded her business and enjoyed basketball and had a wonderful rest of her day. That's literally the end of the story. All right, go ahead and finish his ear now. Now we're moving on to, we're gonna call him Romeo because he's so cute. We're moving on to Romeo, the otter. Give her some tufts up there. And there's his eye. There's that little glisten in his eye. If you want to make it super cute, you would make the glisten of his eye like super big. It would be so cute. All right, here is his mouth. Add some tuffy tufts for him too. Trying to stay away from that, again, that jarring zigzag, and just let it be organic. There's his other ear. I made his paw a little bigger so that, because I made his head bigger. And we're gonna do that same fluff, fluff, fluff. Straight fluff, fluff, fluff. Straight fluff, fluff, fluff. All right, and it's gonna tail all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4 to his foot. Fluff, 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 fluff. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll add this part of his leg that goes up. He has a bigger tail. We'll start. I try to get this in one fell swoop because it just feels better. It also looks better because you're not jaggedly like stopping and whatnot. So if you can do it in one take, man, that's money. That's how you get the art to look crispy. crispy and good, and you practice your lines. All right, let's add some little detail on him too. He's gonna have a little wavy tail. Okay, starting with some waves in here too. Maybe a wave around his arm. And around his head, he's add some fluffs. He's fluffy too. Man, have you ever petted an otter? Man, that's one of my dreams. If there's some magical way we can pet otters, man, or just, you know, visit them for a few days or hours. Oh, it'd be so cute. I'd be dying. Oh. Anybody have access to cute otters I can play, hang out with, all that fun stuff? Oh man, you let me know. I will be there. I'll pack up my family. We will all go. Oh my goodness, so cute. Let's add a heart in between them. Yeah, we totally should. Because they're in love. And there's no other one other. Oh, let's make this a little smaller. So it's like a subtle smile. She's still happy, but it's a subtle smile. So cute. Let's add a little mouthpiece here for him, bottom of his chin. Her chin's being taken away because of I don't know. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a step back. Looks good proportioned, good texture. Let's dive into coloring. Duplicate the layer by sliding, duplicate, and I'm only gonna color the bottom layer. Let's go to our palettes, and today let's palette. I've got a lot of palettes here. It's kind of a copy. Let's do, I wanna do a combination of Plant Lady and Ocean Views. I want both. So we'll do Plant Lady. Yeah, Plant Lady. Okay. So let's make them like this soft. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th on the first row. So I'm going to find the break, which I think it's here. And I'm gonna go back to my monoline. Sketching, inking, or a technical pen, a pen that doesn't have breaks. Okay, so I can color them and solidify them. I think that's where the break was. See, now it's on eraser. Boom. Okay, was that it? Just kidding. Okay, so there's, and I could just loosely trace, because I'm going to trace the whole thing. Oops, now I'm testing it. Yes, I found the break. It was over here somewhere. Okay, and then this one will be colored in. Is her head filled? Boom. Yes, sweet. Color this too. Color this part of her feet. And then we'll go here with him. We should test it first before I trace him. Boop, just kidding. And we're just tracing the otter so that I can fill him in one, oops, in one push, rather than, because I want to texturize it. Was that it? Did I find it? Yes, I did. It was in his head. Whoa, okay. Wasn't expecting that, quite honestly. All right, and you'll see why I texturize. Okay, so let's get this nice pink color for his little, his pads. Oh, I gotta change this brown color for the bottom of his lip. And her pads. Let's not forget her pink soft pads. Juju, do you have pink soft pads? Juju says yes. All right, then I'm gonna go here. Let's go to this nice dark brown. Go back to, brain, go to this layer and you can, was it alpha lock? Yeah. All right, let's make it bigger, change the opacity down to 57, and let's add in some texture. Yeah, I alpha locked it. That was pretty cool. All right, so now I've got some color on my beavers. All right, let's add some darker colors. Boop. Ooh, yeah. And let's make this smaller, and let's add some shadows. His feet has some shadows. Okay, we can follow the shadows of the tail on the outside. Here too, her feet probably have some shadows. I'm gonna go back and add some light brown. I feel like they've gotten a little too dark. Okay, right here where her, right here around her arm. Here, right here. Changing that tuft a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gently shading out underneath their chins. Boom. Okay, and let's go to this color and let's go up a little bit so we can add some highlights. Maybe on the outside of his belly, her belly, this side of her tail, just to add some of their feet because they're on top, just to add some dimension so it doesn't, the picture doesn't fall flat. There you go. And right, their noses and mouths probably stick out far, right? So it feels like they should be slightly, oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's so cute. It's already starting, it's so cute. And let's get a nice red. I'm just gonna find a nice pinkish red and we'll make that the color of the heart. Oh, I gotta turn off clipping mask. I can do it on this layer. Boop. He's so cute. All right, and let's go ahead and add a little saying on this one. Whoa, okay, not that. Go back to my water pen. Go back to this layer. No, but I'm gonna slow down and really write it nice and neat. No. Otter. Why person? Because we're talking to people here. Person. I love more. Oh my God, that's so cute. Let's combine our layers. Whoop, delete the sketch. Move it down so that the no otter person I love more can breathe a little. I feel like it's too close. All right, and then for the final touch, I'm gonna add some blue because they're floating in water. They definitely need some blue. What kind of blue looks good to you guys? Man, maybe this blue? Yeah, my gut says this blue. Okay. All right, we're just gonna add blue the sweet old way. Just coloring it in meticulously and mindfully. Go around his fluff. Oh, I love his little fluff. Man, I love this. I love this, I love this pen or this texture because it feels like it's got dimension without having to be completely flat. Oh, hi, Juju. How was your little nap? Do you want to say hi to people? This is Juju's tail. That's Juju's white sock. White sock. He likes to sit on warm computers too, so if you see him sitting on this iPad later, don't be surprised. Uh-oh, don't hit the camera, Juju. I know you want some love, but can you wait till I'm done? Huh? All right. Good old-fashioned coloring. All right. Oops, wrong one. I want to erase that. Okay. It says no other person I love more. Let's see if I add a third layer. See, I don't want multiply. I just want normal. Oh, yes. I found it. All right, so let's turn off the background. I have no idea how I did that. Let's go to white disc or classic. I like the classic because I can ensure that it's white. Go to my lines, go to my brush, and I've been outlining in monoline because it's the most solid. Do you see how that line went behind them? And today we're doing a little unconventional because the water comes out slightly wide, and I want to give that feeling of like that they're still in the water. So this will be the trace of the sticker. Boom, and they don't have creepy eyes anymore. And I could probably move this up here, keep my water blue. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's recenter these adorable cuties. No other person I love more, floating down a river. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was enjoyable. I hope you go with your otter, one holding their hand somewhere. Thanks, guys. Please like or just subscribe. We would really appreciate it. We've been working really hard on creating cute, super cute content for everybody. So have a good evening, have a good night. Thank you all so much. Bye.